Hi, welcome back to Leetcode. In today's video, we're going to be solving the reverse linked list problem. Our solution is going to be in O of n runtime and constant space-time. Just in case you don't know linked lists, linked lists is a data structure where the values are stored in nodes, and one node points to the next node, which points to the next node in the list, and so on. We can't have constant lookups in a linked list because the nodes can't be indexed, or the values can't be indexed. However, if you want to do deletions or additions, we can without creating a whole new list like we would in a normal array. I've got myself with me a cup of ginger tea. Grab yourself a cup and let's get started. So, reverse linked list. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I want us to return 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the pointers to point backwards in the list, and then refer to that pointer, and so on until the whole list is reversed. So list node is now so we need to save the next node in the current in our linked lists, so that we can keep moving forwards, so that we can keep going through the list. So store it in a temp variable. Now we're going to set current next to previous. And we're going to set previous to current. I mean previous to current here. So what will happen here is the current node is going to be set to previous, and then the current next is going to be set. The previous node is going to be set to current, and the current next is going to be set to previous. So I'll explain it. I'll go through an example later on. But what it means is that the list will be reversed because the pointer has been set backwards. Here is current next to previous. It's been set backwards. So and then that node is now the new node, and then it's been set backwards again. So I'll go through an example at the end of this. So current equals temp. So we've set the current next now. So we're saying we've set the current next, so we're setting it to temp in order to move on to the next node. And we'll just return previous. So what happens here is, so for example, we're on current node 1 and current next is set to null, and then previous node is then becomes current. And when we come back again, because we're able to come back because we've set the current next to temp here, so it can go straight to 2. Current next at 2 is set to the previous node. So now we have 2 1. You see, so now we have 2 1, and then the previous the current node, the previous node, it says it's a current node. So the current node, so the previous node is now 2 1, and then again we go to 3. 3 is set to the current next is set to 2 1, and then we set the previous node to current again. I'll keep going like that until all the values are reversed, and in the end we get 5 4 3 2 1. So let's run this. Submit. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment down below. Also, if you have any more algorithm problems or data structure problems that you would like to see on this channel, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to see more content like this. Until next time.